Hey people, good evening. It's weekend already. Baby girl life has not been babying since this week. Work has been hectic, but oh, thank God, all the same. Let me not say that's what we've been praying for, but we are grateful that we have something to fall back to. On my way home, and it's currently 6:35 p.m. Nigerian time, Friday. I just finished from the market. I got carrots. Carrots is in season, so you should be eating carrot this period. Try carrot and groundnuts and thank me later. That combination, it is slap, according to my friend. It a bang. It bangs differently. Like carrot. I need to buy some apples for my oats. How much? You say wait. Alright, give me now. You don't tell what I buy apple. I've just been buying pear. Pear no day.
Pear never come.
Which year go come now?
If you come this way.
If you go, alright, no wahala. Alright. Apple. Happy weekend. It's been a minute on here. Please ignore what's going on here. Because this hair is going down soon. As in, I can't just wait. I don't know what I look like right now. I just look bushy. I'm in the market. I just finished my own side. I usually come to the market with my husband. He buys the meat, I buy the other foodstuffs. So I'm done waiting for him. And to the extent that they know us, so he gave somebody the car key to keep for me once I get back. And I'm back now waiting. I know where he is, but he came bad. He's trying to go to that place now. I don't have it. So, do you go to market alone? Does your husband help you in the market? Let us know in the comment section. So I'm waiting for him. The agenda for today is to cook. I'm making AFANG egusi. There's always egusi in my house because of my children. They love egusi soup. Egusi and native soup. I'll be doing something, so just watch out for that vlog. Okay, after this, the vlog promises to be an interesting one. After today, I'll be going to my friend's house. If you're an OG on the channel, you know Chidera. I filmed a few videos with her. If you've not seen that video, those videos are very, very hilarious. Our pregnancy story, our pregnancy journey. Then the other one is what's the name of that video again? Marriage realities in marriage. I'm going to be linking all that in the description box. Just ignore what's happening around. This is the market. Market setting. If you're in Port Harcourt, in Urumokoro. So that's where I am currently. So, do you go to the market that day and cook that day? Because there are some people that go to the market the day before and cook the next day because of the stress, tiredness, and all. But I have a 9 to 5. If I don't do my things over the weekend, nobody will. So I just have to give myself the ginger that I need to carry out all the things I need to do. So that will be that for that. I'll if I can carry you guys along then, but if not, it's the aftermath of when I finish cooking my soups. Then tomorrow, that is Sunday, my sister will be taking over the kitchen because I need to get over with all this. She'll be the one that will be giving us tomorrow's Sunday meal and everything in between. So the vlog is just going to be a chill one, just a weekend in the life of a 9 to 5 mama that gets all her things to do over the weekend because during the week she's occupied. So just stay tuned to the channel. If you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my videos. It makes me to know that what I am doing is appreciated. If you've not watched my previous videos, what's the challenge? What is it? You don't like them? Or they're not interesting to you? What's the challenge? Please like, comment, and subscribe to any of my videos you find interesting. And don't forget to share. I'll see you guys. Hey people, say good evening.
Good evening.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're on our way out. I just finished cooking. You guys must have seen it. Our way out to my friend's place, just to say hello. If there's anything that interesting that comes up there, fine. Nothing,
Have you peed?
Nothing. Nothing much. Just to catch up because I've not seen her since this year. So, all right, guys, come along with us. An evening with these children. She's going to make her hair tomorrow. I'm taking this hair off tomorrow by God's grace.
Mama, are you cutting it?
Yes, I'm cutting it. You want me to cut my hair?
No.
Okay. Okay, Mama. Alright, guys.
Mommy, thank you for adding this. That's our life. This just.
Thank you for all the things I've done in your life. What are you saying?
It's not fair.
Eh?
Not fair. Mommy.
Yes, okay, boy. See you.
See you later.
See you later.
Okay, when we come back, we show you our video.
Alright, people. Catch you. You said what? We have watermelon in the house. Have you forgot? Okay, but you want to put it back. Hey people, happy Sunday. This is what I got from my friend's place that I went to yesterday. I told you, if you don't know Chidera, that means you're not in real time OG. Go back to my channel. There are a lot of videos that we made together, like 2 videos that are pregnancy expectations versus reality. I'll link that in this video, okay? So do well to go and watch that video and show us some love. Okay, so my sister is taking over the kitchen, so I'll carry you guys along. I mean, I'll just be off and on because I need to lose this hair. My daughter is making her hair as well. Oh, at this point my tire is tired, man. I don't off everything. We get in the bag. Everything is off. I'm good to go. Alright, for the night, mama. When you get home, you still battle mommy, wifey duties, and so thank God for where we are. Hey people, how you doing? You guys must have seen the weekend in life overnight to 5 mama. Everything happens during the weekend. We make our hair, we go shopping, we cook, all to get the week in check, if you know what I mean. So thank you guys for watching this video from start to finish. If you did not, Ogini, what happened? Why? Please do well to always watch my videos from the beginning to the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Mommy. My mama's here.